Wiper blades are crucial for maintaining visibility while driving, especially in adverse weather conditions. Over time, they wear out, leading to streaks and reduced effectiveness. This video will guide you through the simple process of replacing your Tesla Model 3 wiper blades, ensuring safe and clear driving. The Tesla Model 3 uses two different sized wiper blades. The driver's side blade is 28 inches, or 71 centimeters, while the passenger's side blade is 15 inches, or 38 centimeters. These blades are not interchangeable. Ensure you purchase the correct sizes specifically designed for the Model 3. Generic parts may not fit properly due to the J-hook adapter system. Using OEM or Tesla-approved blades is highly recommended. Replacing your Model 3 wiper blades requires minimal tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to gently lift the wiper arm if necessary. An optional wiper arm puller can be helpful if the clip is stubborn. No specialized Tesla tools are needed, making this a beginner-friendly task. Before starting the replacement, you need to put your Tesla Model 3 into wiper service mode. This will lift the wiper arms to a vertical position for easier access. Access this mode via the touchscreen. Go to Controls, then Service, and select Wiper Service Mode. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield. Locate the Release tab on the blade's J-hook adapter. Press the Release tab and slide the old blade off the arm. If it's stuck, use your flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool carefully to avoid damaging the arm. Align the hook of the new wiper blade with the pin on the wiper arm. Snap the blade into place, ensuring it is securely attached. Gently pull on the blade to confirm it's locked in. Repeat the process for the other wiper blade. Now that the new wiper blades are installed, carefully lower the wiper arms back onto the windshield. Next, exit wiper service mode using the touchscreen controls. Activate the wipers to test their functionality. Check for even contact across the windshield and ensure there is no chattering or streaking. If necessary, adjust the adapter screw for optimal performance. Finally, perform a full wipe cycle to ensure proper function. Replace your Tesla Model 3 wiper blades every 6 to 12 months, depending on usage and climate conditions. Frequent driving in rainy or dusty areas can wear them out faster. Consider using silicone blades for increased durability and better performance. These are especially beneficial in humid climates, where traditional rubber blades can degrade quickly due to moisture. Future Tesla models may include advanced features like automatic wiper activation using cameras to detect rain and integrated wear sensors that alert you when blades need replacement. Regular wiper maintenance ensures optimal visibility and safety while driving. Keeping blades in good condition helps prevent accidents and maintains your vehicle's performance.